Choosing the best cryptocurrency for beginners is a bit like picking the safest dynamite. They're inherently volatile and speculative, but there's definite potential. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the Godzilla and King Kong of crypto. They've withstood the test of time and gained widespread acceptance. For starters, dipping your toes into these two might not be a wild idea. Here's the starter drill. Do your homework. Before jumping into the crypto pool, have a swim around in the shallow end. Learn what makes Bitcoin and Ethereum tick. Understand terms like blockchain, mining, and wallet. Start small. Don't remortgage the house on a hunch. Begin with a modest sum that you're prepared to lose, which will allow you to sleep at night regardless of crypto's notorious mood swings. Safe storage. It's crypto, not cash under the mattress. Use a digital wallet, and consider a cold storage option if you're holding for the longer term. Expect volatility. The prices swing more than a pendulum in an earthquake. Make peace with volatility and the emotional roller coaster. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one cryptocurrency basket. Explore other options like major altcoins or even different asset classes. Stay updated. Follow the news. Cryptocurrency is affected by regulations, technological advancements, and market sentiment. Avoid FOMO. Fear of missing out can lead to rash decisions. Just because your Uber driver is piling into Dogecoin doesn't mean it's a smart move. Beware of scams. Crypto scammers are the ninjas of the financial domain. Watch out for Ponzi schemes, promising skyscraper-high returns, and social media experts. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a long, often perplexing path that can lead to the city of riches or the town of tears. Patience, young Padawan. And hey, if you're in Portland, Oregon, you've got a robust community of tech and finance individuals who could share some sage advice over a cup of locally roasted coffee. Use your network for guidance. Happy investing, Scott.